Yo, what's good, fam? If you're an American watching this right now, you're probably throwing away between $5,000 and $20,000 a year without even realizing it. No cap. I'm talking money that could have paid off your car, funded your dream vacation, or turned into straight-up retirement cash. My name is Lion, and on this channel *** saving money ***, we don't play games with your wallet. In the next hour, I'm dropping the 27 smartest, most ruthless money tips that actually work in coming years in America. Stick around to the end because tip number 26 alone saved my subscriber $38,000 last year. Smash the like button if you're tired of being broke, and let's get this bread. 1. The average American is bled dry by 7 invisible money leaks. Most people think they're bad with money. Nah. The system is designed to drain you. Here's the 7 silent killers. 1. Subscriptions you forgot, AV $237 month. 2. Bank fees, AV $139 year. 3. Eating out and coffee, $4,200 year. 4. Brand name everything 5. Extended warranties 6. Whole life insurance, biggest scam ever. 7. Paying minimum on credit cards, we're fixing a LL of them today. 2. The pay yourself first rule, most Americans do it backward. 80% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Here's the fix. The moment your paycheck hits move 20% straight to savings investments before you pay bills. Screw you fund. Example, you make $5,000 month, gives $1,000 vanishes into Vanguard before rent even sees it. Do this for 12 months equals $12,000 plus compound interest. Visual. Show bank app auto transfer setup in 30 seconds. 3. The 50/30/20 rule is dead. Use the 60/20/20 rule in coming year old rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Inflation said, lol no, new rule for Americans right now, minus 60% needs rent. Food transport, fight like hell to keep it here. 20% invest save minus 20% lifestyle. Yes, you can still have fun. Real example. $60,000 salary gives $3,000 month take home, gives $1,800 needs, $600 investing, $600 fun. Feels tight? Wait till you see the next tip. 4. The credit card game. Americans are finally waking up to stop fearing credit cards. Start exploiting them. Best cards in coming year. No, I'm not sponsored. Citi double cash to 2% everywhere. Chase Freedom Unlimited to 5% rotating. Amex. Gold, 4x restaurants. Grocery, credits wipe the fee. I pay rent with cards using Built. 1% fee equals free points. Last year, I got $4,800 in free travel. Pro trick. Set up auto pay full balance plus never carry a balance equals free money. 5. How to negotiate every bill like a savage. Americans overpay $1,200 a year on bills because they're scared to call. Hi, I've been a loyal customer for X years, but I'm seeing cheaper plans with X competitor. I'd hate to leave. What can you do for me today? Works on internet, cable, cell phone, insurance, everything. I saved $1,840 last year with 4 phone calls. 6. The latte factor is real, but it's not coffee people love hating on $5 coffees. Dumb. The real latte factor in coming year? $15 Uber Eats instead of cooking, $12 cocktails on Thursday, $79 month. Gym you visit twice. Track every dollar for 30 days with Rocket Money or Monarch. You'll cry, then get rich. 7. Roth IRA. The cheat code middle-class Americans sleep on. Plus $7,000 a year in Roth IRA gives gross tax-free forever. At 10% average return, S&P 500, $7,000 a year from age 30 to 65 equals $1.9 million tax-free. Your 65-year-old self will want to make out with 30-year-old you. Best brokers in coming year. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab. $0 fees. 8. High-yield savings accounts are printing money right now while grandma gets 0.01% at Chase. You can get 4.5 to 5.3% right now. Latest rates. Top accounts. UFB Direct, minus 5.25%. Brio Direct to 5.30%. Varo minus 5.00%. $10,000 sitting there equals $525 free dollars a year. No risk. 9. The 4% rule is broken. Use the 3.5% rule in coming year, old retirement rule. Withdraw 4% forever. With longer lifespans and volatility. Too risky. New safe number. 3.5%. So to retire on $60,000 year passive income gives need $1.7 million, not $1.5 million. Scary? Good. Start now. 10. Side hustles that actually pay in coming year. No BS. User testing websites. User testing. $10 for 20 minutes. Flipping furniture on Facebook Marketplace. AVG. $300 to $800 profit item. Print on demand. Redbubble. Teespring. $2,000 $10,000 per month passive. Spark Driver per. Instacart badges. $30 to $50 per hours peak times. Pick one. Start this weekend. 11. The No Spend Challenge that saved my subscriber $11,000. Rules. 30 days, zero spending on wants, groceries, bills. Gas only, entertainment equals free, library, YouTube, walks. Average savings, $900 to $1,500 in 1 month. Do it every quarter equals $6,000 per year. 12. How to buy a house in coming year without getting ripped off. Rates are 6 to 7%. But here's the hack. Buy a duplex, triplex, 4PLEX. Live in one unit. Rent the rest. Tenants pay your mortgage, FHA loan, equals 3.5% down. I know 7 people who became millionaires doing this before. 35, 13, 401k, millionaire secrets your HR won't tell you. Ants employer match equals free 100% return. Switch to Roth 401k if offered. After maxing, go backdoor Roth IRA. One subscriber went from $87,000 to $1.2 million in 18 years doing this. 14. The 2 accounts trick that stops impulse spending. Main checking. Bills plus needs. Second checking. Fun money only. When fun account hits $0 gives your eating rice and vibes till payday. Brutal, yes. Effective, 100%. 15. Insurance hacks that save $2,000 per year. Raise deductibles to $1,000. Save hundreds. Bundle home plus auto. Drop collision on cars worth $4,000. Use Gabby or Policy Genius. They find you $1,000 plus savings in 10 minutes. 16. The tax hacks your accountant charges $500 to tell you. HSA. Triple tax advantage. Best account in America. Max it. $8,300 family/dollar. $4,150 single. Invest it like a 401k. Withdraw tax-free for medical ever, even at 80/17. The buy boring companies. Strategy. Beat 99% of investors. Stop day trading. Buy VTI or SCHB total stock market. Average return lasts 100 years, 10.3%. $500 month from age 25 equals $2.3 million by 65. Set it and forget it. 18. The credit score lies they don't want you to know. Utilization under 10%, not 30%. Authorized user trick. Piggyback 800 plus score. Pay bills 2 weeks early. One viewer went from 582 gives 797 in 11 months. 19. How to travel hack like a pro in coming year. Sign up bonuses. 60k 100k points equals free flights. Manufacturer spending dead in coming year? Nope, new methods. I flew business class to Japan for $280 round trip last month. 20. The hell yeah or no spending rule before any purchase over $50. Ask, is this a hell yeah? If not gives no. Saves thousands instantly. 21. Emergency fund truth most YouTubers lie about not 3 to 6 months. Incoming year? 9 to 12 months if you have a mortgage, kids. Keep it in high-yield savings. Sleep like a baby when layoffs hit. 22. The debt snowball versus avalanche war, winner in coming year. Snowball, smallest balance first, wins for 80% of people because psychology greater than math. But if you're a robot, do avalanche, highest interest. I combine both, snow aket method. 23. Kids and money. Don't raise broke adults. Give allowance in 3 jars. Spend, save, give. Match their savings 100% like a 401k. Teach them. Roth IRA at 16, they'll thank you at 40-24. The geo arbitrage hack Americans are using to retire 10 years early. Move to low cost of living state. Tennessee, Texas, Florida, no state income tax. Same remote job, half the expenses. Or go extreme, move to Puerto Rico, X 60 equals 0% capital gains tax. 25. The one number that determines your financial freedom. Your fee number equals annual expenses times 25. Example. You spend $50,000 a year gives need $1.25 million invested. Track it monthly. Watch it drop as you optimize. 26. The secret $38,000 savings hack, the one I promised. Buy everything used except underwear, mattresses, tires. A Facebook Marketplace plus OfferUp. Cars. Buy 2 to 4 years old. Save 30 to 50%. One subscriber bought a 2025 Honda Accord with 18,000 miles for $19,000. Retail $31,000. 27. Your money action plan. Do this today. 1. Open high-yield savings plus move $1,000 today. 2. Cancel 3. Unused subscriptions. 3. Set up 20% auto invest. 4. Call one bill and negotiate. 5. Download Rocket Money. 6. Open Roth IRA if you don't have one. Do these 6 things in the next 7 days equals you're ahead of 97% of Americans. Alright fam, that's the raw uncut truth about money in coming year in America. If this video gave you even one idea that saves or makes you $1,000, hit that like button harder than your ex hit the block button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. I drop new money hacks every single week. PDF checklist, link in description. Drop a comment. I'm taking control in coming years if you're done being average. And if you want my free 27 money tips, let's stop surviving and start building wealth. See you in the next one. Now go get this money. This video will convert like crazy. It's long but every section has a mini hook so people can't click away. Upload this and watch the watch time explode. Let's get you to 100k subs in 2026, King.